Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my latest Motivation Monday. Today's video is a productive Sunday morning. I'm starting by cleaning up the kitchen. It's a bit of a mess. Whoops, there's some wine glasses. We had a good night, me and my girlfriends last night, as you can see. It is a Sunday morning after all. So the first thing I'm going to do is tidy away all the glasses and plates and load up the dishwasher. Now that the dishwasher is humming away, I'm going to just clean the sink where there's been some dirty plates and things in here. It's just become a bit dirty itself. So I'm going to use my Soap Daddy, as you can see here, with some soapy water, and I'm going to scrub the sink and get it nice and shiny. It's getting harder. It was never under my control. Still using the Soap Daddy, I'm just going to quickly go over the sides as well. They're not that messy, to be honest. Me and my girls got a takeaway last night, so no cooking was involved. So I'm just going to use that soapy water and then I'm going to wipe it clean, very satisfying. And I'm just going to get rid of any crumbs or bits that have just been left on the sides. I see the door you closed is open wide. Version of me inside. Let me in, let me stay there for a while. I feel it now when I see that's mine. Next up, I have some clean washing that needs to be put away. So I'm going to carry this basket upstairs. I'm going to sort all of the washing into piles for everybody and put all of the clean washing away in everyone's bedrooms, wardrobes, etc. Under my control, you know. First, I'll go into Cooper's room and put away his pile of clothes. Then I'll move into Leo's room and then I'll put our clothes away as well. Lost and found or gone forever, but this is what you are to me, like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul, and getting harder. It was never under my control, you know. Of course, Cooper is in Leo's room. Whenever we have to come upstairs, he runs straight for Leo's room and grabs all of the toys that he's usually not allowed. Leo isn't here. Him and Clint have actually gone away for the night with some friends, which is why it's just me and Cooper. So he is in his element, being able to pick up all of the things that he's not normally allowed to touch. Words all around, and I'm dying to tell you. Next thing I want to do is change all of the bedding. That is such a Sunday job, isn't it? I'm going to start with our bed. I'm going to strip everything and put on some fresh sheets. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your heart. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. I've tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live. Honestly, just having a big bedspread like this changes everything. I never iron my bed sheets. I don't see the point, as you're literally going to sleep in them and get them very creased. But if you put on a big bedspread like this, it just covers everything and it looks so neat and tidy. I'm just going to spray it with some Fabulosa fabric spray as well. Now I'm going to pop into Leo's room. Cooper is still there causing havoc, and I'm going to change Leo's sheets, which is such an awkward job because he has this loft bed. So I change the sheets down on the floor and then I chuck everything up there and then put on the fitted sheet
very awkwardly while making lots of noise and struggling, but I'd get it on eventually. Cooper is just loving getting involved as always. Lastly, I will strip and change Cooper's bed. This is the quickest one for obvious reasons. I always get questions about his bed linen because the duvet cover zips on and the pillowcase is sewed on, as you can see. This is called the Grow 2 bed by the Grow Company. However, the Grow Company is now dissolved. They're now owned by Tommy Tippy and they don't make the Grow 2 bed anymore. You can get some secondhand ones, so keep an eye out because it is such a handy little thing for toddlers to know that their pillow's not going to move around. He loves it. His bed is so cozy, and I'm sure he will love it later when he gets in and sees that there's fresh sheets. Okay, next job, now that the clean washing is away, I'm going to put on a fresh load of washing. So I'm actually going to do mine and Clint's washing today. I'm going to grab these 2 huge baskets, which are very full. I'm going to put them all into this laundry basket here and carry it downstairs. Obviously, I'll take Cooper with me. So I'm just going to call him and get him to come downstairs with me so I can put the washing on.
Baby, I know you want it better. Putting on the pressure, 'cause pressure's gonna get the very best of me. I give a little something, doesn't come for free. Oh, I know you have questions.
So I'm going to load up the washing machine. There is no sound more satisfying than the sound of the washing machine, and I've also got the sound of the dishwasher on, so I'm feeling doubly productive this morning.
Even if I try too hard, tell me what to do, say anything, yeah.
I'm quickly going to just hoover the hard floors downstairs. I was thinking about hoovering the carpets upstairs, but I actually didn't end up doing that in the end. Me and Cooper ended up going to the shops once I finished this, and it just never got done. But I am going to quickly just go over the hard floors, which just are always covered in crumbs and bits because I have kids and that's what happens, isn't it?
Try. You find it distracting, hold of our issues, rather die with you. We no longer talk when it gets hard, so it only gets harder. I know you were gonna get the best.
Because it is a Sunday, I need to sort the recycling. It is bulging. It is so full this week. I'm going to take our recycling bins here. This one is plastics and cans, and then this one is cardboard. And I'm going to take them out the front, put them in the proper recycling bins, and put them out ready for the recycling men in the morning. After I do the recycling, I always give the recycling boxes a good rinse because they're always just a bit sticky and things where we just throw cans and whatnot in there. So I'm going to give them a rinse and a scrub and let them dry. But guys, thank you for watching my productive Sunday morning. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.
If we just try.